Hello everyone, and thank you so much for stopping by. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing my Boxycharm unboxing for the month of August. If you are not familiar with what Boxycharm is, then you're missing out because it is one of my favorite subscription boxes to get. So it's $21 a month and you get about 5 full-size products of pretty well-known brands, and they're usually really good products. So I've been really enjoying it. I've been getting it for a little over half a year, and so far I've been liking all of the ones that I've been getting. So we'll see how this one ranks and if I like it or not. So let's go ahead and get started with what's inside the box. So usually the inside will come like this, and it will come with a pamphlet that will look like so. And it looks like the theme for this month is Life of the Party, Live It Up. And then when you open it all the way, it'll tell you what's gonna come inside, the prices, and kind of give you a little information about each product. I've already peeked inside. I don't follow Boxycharm online, and I usually try to avoid any videos until I do my own Boxycharm video. But usually I'll peek inside like the day or so before, just so that I know what to do with my face before we get started, just so that it doesn't make it a very long video. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to start with are these here, and these are by Wonder Beauty, and they are the Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. And it says, after a night of partying, who doesn't love a good eye mask? These gold foil under eye masks brighten, hydrate, and reduce the appearance of dark circles. The hyaluronic acid diminishes the appearance of wrinkles, with aloe leaf extracts and lavender oil cool and soothe your under eye area. And these retail for $13, and it comes with 3. I never really use under eye masks, so we'll see how this goes. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and set the timer for 10 minutes, and I'll be back to remove them and continue with the box. So we're gonna go ahead and remove these right here. I'm not one to usually use under eye masks or lip masks or anything like that. Usually we'll just use face masks, so I'm not sure if it's something that I would rebuy, but I guess we'll find out as I continue to use it. Okay, so up next in the box, I got this thingy right here, which, to be honest, I'm not very excited about. So this one is by Bang Beauty, and it's their chocolate eyeliner. Use it as an eyeliner, eyeshadow base, or even to touch up your brows. This creamy chocolate toned pomade is the ultimate triple threat, and this one retails for $22. Okay, so I think the way I'm gonna use this one right here is gonna be just for my brows, because I already looked at the eyeshadow and I don't think this is gonna be a good base or a liner. That is what it looks like right there on my hand. Looks like it is definitely like a chocolate brown. So we'll see how this looks on my brows. I already did my brows, but just for the heck of it, we're just gonna put a little more and see what it does. Okay, so it doesn't feel sticky, but I don't know how good of a stain power it'll have throughout the day, so I guess we'll find out. But I think I'm gonna like it better for eyeliner than my brows, or maybe for like an eyeshadow base. Alright, so up next in the box we got this thingy right here. Is by Laura Lee Los Angeles, and it's the Party Animal eyeshadow palette, and it says, dare to be the life of the party with Laura Lee Los Angeles Party Animal palette. These 6 stunning shades create bold, colorful looks, leaving you ready for a night of fun. And this one retails for $19. Okay, and this is what the colors look like right here. We'll see how it applies on the eyes. So I'm just gonna go ahead and prime my lids, and I'm gonna use my Revolution Conceal and Define concealer, and I have mine in C7. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start with is a Party, which is the yellow one, and I'm just gonna start adding that on the crease and then just kind of bringing it up pretty high. So it's definitely not as bright as I thought it was gonna be based on like the pan color. As you can see, I've already put maybe like 3 or 4 layers, and it's not crazy pigmented. I mean, you can see the shade, but it's not like neon yellow like it looks on in the pan. I'm gonna take Drinks, which is this orange one right here, and I'm just gonna start applying that on the lid. So as you can see, the orange is a lot more pigmented than the yellow, so that's nice. All right, so I don't know if this is a bad choice, but I think I want to take Hungover, just because I kind of want to use as many of colors as possible, and then add that to the outer corner. Whoa, that color has a lot of fallout. Weird. It's not sticking to my lid. I don't know if you guys can see. It's all just falling off. That's really weird. Does it apply better with your finger? So weird. It does not want to apply on top of the other shade. Applying here where there is nothing, but it doesn't want to go on top of the other shade. Ugh, why is this happening? It's so weird. You guys see that? It's all just like coming off and then sticking right there where there's nothing, and it's a really pretty shade, but okay. So I'm gonna take Karaoke and see if I can put that on top of the Hungover. Hopefully this will stay. Okay. And this one's staying better. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up after, but I'm just kind of worried about the corner being mixed well. Okay, so I don't know what's happening because this eye looks a lot more purple than this eye. This eye looks blue, but this eye wasn't getting anything. So then I tried to mix the blue with the purple in this eye, and it's just not working out. So I'm just gonna go ahead and clean up under the eye, do the rest of my makeup, and we'll come back to finish off the eyes. Alright guys, so I've added a little more of the purple just to kind of even things out, and it seemed to work a little better with the finger that was like a little bit wet. That worked better. Maybe that's how I have to use it from now on. I don't know. But we're gonna go ahead and move on to the lash line. So I think I'm gonna take Drinks and then just kind of put that all over the bottom lash. I'm gonna jump into Damage Control and then just add that a little bit on the lash line. Okay, and I'm gonna grab my NYX Jumbo Pencil in Cobalt and then just kind of put that on the lash line, on the waterline. Okay, and then I'm gonna put some mascara on the bottom lash line. So this is the Smashbox Assorted Lip Products. So it looks like everybody got different ones. I got a metallic red one, so yeah. So it says create bold, beautiful looks with your new Smashbox Lip product is pigmented, loaded color glides on in just one swipe, getting you out the door and into the party quicker. Shades and finishes may vary, and these ones retail from $21 to $24. So I'm not gonna wear this, so I'm just gonna go ahead and swatch it so you guys can see what it looks like, but this is just not gonna go with my eye look at all. Like, there's no way that this would work. Let me go ahead and swatch it. So this is what the product looks like. So that's a shade right there. As you can see, it is very red and metallic. I mean, it's not an ugly shade, it's just not something that I usually would wear. Okay, so instead I just paired it with the L'Oreal Paris, what are these called? The color Rich and Shine Luminous Coral. So that's what I paired the look with. So the next product are these lashes, and they're by House of Lashes. These add length and dimension to your makeup look with your new favorite lashes. Cruelty-free, high quality, and long-lasting. These lashes provide up to 15 wears and will be the talk of every party. And these ones retail from $9 to $12. And I got mine in Boulder Light. Boulder. I've been wanting to try them, so I'm super excited that these came in here. So these actually look really pretty. Like I've mentioned before, I don't really wear lashes on a daily basis, so I'm not going to be wearing these today for today's look. I think it would have looked pretty, but because I'm going somewhere, it's going to take me forever to put them on. So I'm excited to try these, just not today. And then last but not least, I got the NCLA So Rich Lollipop, and it says glam yourself head to cuticles before a night out with this vitamin E infused cuticle oil. Its gentle rubber grip dropper allows for the perfect dosage of oil and application every time. Gently apply and massage into the nails and cuticles 2 times a day to nourish and soften your nails. And this one retails for $18. So if you drop some, I guess, on the cuticle and massage it in. So I always have very, very dry cuticles because I don't wear lotion all the time. So this, if it works, it will be very nice. Ugh, this scent's not that great. We'll see how that continues to work. So the total for this box is $108. Okay, so let's go ahead and do a recap. The Wonder Beauty mask, I'm gonna have to continue using it and see if I like them. It seems like everything applied well on top of what was left, like their little residue or whatever, so everything worked out fine for me. So I'm gonna continue using it, see how this works, see if I can maybe tell the difference. I don't know if 3 will be enough, but we'll see. Then the eyeshadow palette hung over, as you guys saw. It first was not applying on top, then after I used it with a finger, and it did. So I don't know what was happening the first time. Maybe it's not meant to be applied with the brush. I'm not sure. If you don't like color, you probably won't like this eyeshadow palette. But for me, I love color. I love playing with color. So I was excited to see it. I just wish it would have worked a little better because it took me a while to get to where I am now. And I don't think it's perfect. I'm not too happy with the look. But I will go out and do stuff with the look that I have on. It's not like not wearable, it's just not my favorites. For the lashes, I'm gonna have to try them and see if I like them, but I've heard really good things about House of Lashes. I've heard good things about this style, so I'm excited to try this one. This lipstick, I think it was kind of dumb that they gave us this with this eyeshadow palette. I don't know if they were thinking that we're not gonna match them. I don't know, but that's kind of a bummer because I don't see myself wearing it. The eyeliner, shadow base, brow toucher, whatever this thing was supposed to be. For my brows, I didn't really like it. I'm gonna have to try it out as a shadow base and as a liner to see if I like it. And then finally is the NCLA treatment oil. This one, it seems like it, moisturized my fingers, so that's good. I've had it on for a couple of minutes already, and it does still feel pretty greasy, so if you don't like that, then you probably won't like this. But I'll continue to use it maybe at night or something like that, put it on my fingers and see how I wake up to my cuticles in the morning, because I do have really dry cuticles. So if this works, it's gonna be very nice. So that's that. I think this was my least favorite box that I've gotten so far since I started Boxycharm. I've liked mostly all the products and I mean, I've had some fails, but I think this one was my biggest fail just because of that eyeshadow palette was the thing I was excited the most about, and it didn't really work like I wanted it to. So that's up to you to decide if you want to get it. But I love to hear if you got your Boxycharm. What did you like in it? What did you get? Did you get the same things as I did? Did you have trouble with the eyeshadow palette? Let me know below in the comments. But other than that, that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't subscribed already, I would appreciate if you would do so. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye. Start with is